We have a service we hope you never need to use. But unpredictable things happen. And if that happens to you, these two buttons can save your life. If you triple tap the blue button, our private alarm operator knows you need police. Police will immediately be on the way. If you triple tap the red button, our private alarm operator knows you need an ambulance. Three things automatically happen. First, our alarm operators receive your medical alert, your personal information, and your location. Second, your phone immediately calls our alarm operator on speakerphone.
This is Jamie with emCall. Terry, do you need help or medical assistance? Are you located at 123 Main Street? Help is on the way.
Third, your customized medical information screen displays on your phone for first responders. There are many medical alerts on the market, but only one that combines the integration of a world-class monitoring center with a world-class system for delivering your medical information the minute you need it. In an emergency, two things make a difference: speed and information. First, speed. Every minute saved in getting the help you need improves the odds that you'll have a positive outcome. The FCC estimates reducing response time by 1 minute could save 10,000 lives every year. We save those minutes by connecting you directly to our 5-diamond monitoring center. No voice trees, no calls put on hold. The operator answers in seconds and already knows who and where you are. The result? Precious time saved in getting the help you need. Second, information. That's where our patented process can make the critical difference to you. When paramedics arrive, they can take immediate action based on your personal health profile. You are in control. You can enter and keep your important medical information up to date, and it will be safeguarded in our secure servers. It is not stored on your phone where unauthorized people might be able to access it. emCall is your personalized emergency response service.